Happy Wednesday, May 20th. Students of East Millbrook, 6th grade science. Here is your information for today. Our target this week is to summarize the structure of the Earth, including the layers, based on the relative position, composition, and density. All right, Monday we went over density. Today we're going to go a little deeper into the composition of the layers of the Earth. And when I say the composition of the layers of the Earth, I'm saying today you're going to discover a little bit more what materials, what elements, what substances are in the layers of the Earth and how those affect the crust upon which we live. All right, I want you to think about a couple of guiding questions today. Why are the Earth's layers in the order that they are? You're going to discover that by learning about what each layer is composed of. Why cannot we live on the inner core? Most of you are probably thinking it's too hot. Yeah, you're right. You're right. It is too hot. The temperature's too great. Okay? I want you to discover what the inner core and the outer core are composed of, and I want you to learn a little bit more today about what the mantle is composed of. Second guiding question, how does the inside of the Earth affect the outer layer of the Earth? Well, if the inner core is really hot and we can't live there, there's something going on in the inside of the Earth that's creating all these things to take place on the crust. The composition, the elements, the materials, the substances, the matter of the mantle and the outer core, they're all contributing to what's taking place on the crust. We live on the crust. How's the temperature inside the Earth affecting how we are able to live on the crust? How's that affecting the mantle? And also, what elements and substances are in those layers that are affecting the outer layer of the Earth? Okay, so you're going to do a little discovery today. Things to do today. Number one is easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I have an Earth's layers Google drawing. It's simply you using the word bank to correctly label the 4 layers of the Earth. So here's the part of the standard where you have to show you know the position of the layers of the Earth. Please don't confuse the inner and the outer core when you do that. The second thing, I have a Google Doc attached. It's titled What's Inside the Earth. On that Google Doc is a hyperlink. You're going to click on that hyperlink. It's going to take you to a web page. One web page. Take about 5 to 10 minutes to read through the web page, and you're going to go ahead and fill in that Google document. For the crust, what is the crust composed of? You're going to learn in that web page. What is the Earth's crust composed of? What is the mantle composed of? What's the inner core composed of? What is the outer core composed of? So we're looking for elements, materials, could be things like rock, could be molten rock, could be some elements from the periodic table of elements, okay? You're going to discover those on that web page. Everything today should take you probably no more than 25 to 30 minutes. Go ahead and complete everything and submit it to your teachers, and you are finished with science for the week. Have a great Wednesday.